Hello, I'm Phil Ernest. Today I'm in the San Gabriel Mountains hiking to Rattlesnake Peak. The trailhead is at the end of Shoemaker Canyon Road, Azusa, California 91702 in the San Gabriel Mountains. This hike is advanced. It is an 8-mile round-trip hike. After hiking on the fire road for 30 minutes, this is where the turnoff happens and the trail really starts to get serious. Let me show you what the trail looks like from the other side without the hikers on it. This is right here where the trail starts, coming right up from the parking lot. And then you get that steepness that you continue on going up. But it's quite a grind at the very start of this hike. This is where it's going to be really steep, and notice the incline right here from the hikers ahead of us. 45 minutes into the hike, as you can see, it is very steep. We're 8 minutes into this torturous climb and 48 minutes altogether into this hike. See those hikers way up top over there? If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And see that logo on the lower right-hand corner of the screen? Please hit that to subscribe to the channel. Whenever you get a chance to take a break on a hike like this, take it, because it will come in handy later. We're now been going up this grind for 10 minutes. And this is where it gets kind of tricky, trying to cipher where the trail's at. It took 15 minutes to go up that grind. We're officially 1 hour into this hike. 1 hour and 5 minutes into this hike, it kind of levels off a little bit before we start going up again. So this hike, you will go straight up for a while, up, 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 and then a little level for like a minute or two. And then now look, you start the uphill grind again. For a second. Okay, 1 hour and 30 minutes into this hike, still ascending to the top. As you look down below, there's that fire road down below where we came up on for the 1 mile hike. And now we continue with our hike. We're now 1 hour and 10 minutes into this hike from when we started. Halfway up this steep mountain that I initially showed you. 2 hours and 15 minutes into this hike, and we got to the top of that steep part that I was showing you that we'd be hiking up to. And we have just this little bit to go, and then we'll start tackling that next mountain right over there. A beautiful plant on the trail. We're 2 hours and 30 minutes into this hike, and stop and enjoy where we just came down from this steep mountain right here. I'm 3 hours into this hike to Rattlesnake Peak, taking a quick panoramic view around of where we've been and where we are going. Taking the fact that we just hiked all of this, the ridge right on down that way, as we head on to Rattlesnake Peak on up this way. And we're getting very close to the peak. It's visible. Just let me get above this little ridge here, and I will show you where they're at. There they are, right there. Well, I'm now 3 hours and 15 minutes into this hike, and the peak is just above right up there. So about another 15 minutes and I will have arrived at Rattlesnake Peak. It has been a beautiful hike on an absolutely gorgeous day. Check out these beautiful red rocks up here. within 5 minutes, we'll be at Rattlesnake Peak. As we get closer, anticipation grows as we'll be there very soon. So the official time to reach this top from the parking lot, 3 hours and 30 minutes with a couple of break stops in between. But this is what it looks like at the top of Rattlesnake Peak. So, after hiking 3.5 hours with an elevation gain of 4,000 feet, when you get to the summit, enjoy it. Take a look at the beautiful scenery below. The summit of Rattlesnake Peak is 8,042 feet. Before you head on back down the mountain, be sure to take a photo from the summit. There is a trail you can take on the back side of the summit, but be careful. This trail can be hard to follow. So unless you are with someone who has done this trail recently, or if you have a really good GPS, I do not recommend taking that trail. Just go back on the same trail that you hiked in on. If you would like to see my other hiking videos in the Southern California area, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.